Hello guys, and welcome to the second episode of building the directories from scratch using Directify. In this episode we'll learn how to create new directory, how to add listings, and I will show you three best ways to add listings to your directory. So let's go and create new directory. My idea is to have directory for the directory is made with Directify. So I bought domain. So let's create a directory first, and let's name it let's add description for now. This information is enough. Let's create it and switch to this directory. So there are a few ways to add listings. First is to add it just manually. Let's say we add this larfas.com, we add name, we add description, so starter kit, we can add categories. Currently our categories list is empty, so we skip this part, and you can add all the information, you can add cover image, etc., and just click create and it will create the listings. The next way how to do it, you can the next way is you can just add the URL here. Let's say we add Directify and we click get info from URL, and it will pull the information from the website, and it will also add the SEO, title, description, etc. And yeah, cover image, logo, URL. If all the things available in the website, it will pull it, and you just need to create save, and that's it. The listing has been added to this list. The next way, let's remove this too actually for now. The next way is to import it. Let's say you scraped some data from internet, or you have some list of the things that you've prepared. You can just download it and import from this import from CSV section. So what we need to do here, which is important, we need to do mapping. So it will auto detect a couple of columns, so you can skip them. And yeah, we have all of this. So for SEO title, do we have it here? We can actually use basically the name of the directory, and as a description we can just use description. Let's leave other things empty for now. And here we have also pull listing info from URL and take screenshot. We'll talk about them a bit later. So let's do import. Oh wow, it's 12,000 rows. So yeah, these listings have been imported, and it will continue to import the listings basically on the background. Let's click it, and yeah, here we have the list of the directories created almost immediately. That's the third way to create it. The fourth way, let's say. So as I shown here in the add listings, where you can just add URL and click get info from URL, you also can have a list of the listings which contains only URLs, and you click pull listing info from URL, and it will just pull the information on background and create your listings basically. The other way is to connect Google Sheets. So if you click connect Google Sheets, you will need to verify your account first. You need to connect your Google Sheets to this directory. And then what you need to do is to create a template. Let's click next. You need to create template, which is the recommended way of doing things. It helps to create all the columns that exist in your listings, plus the custom fields that you have created previously. We'll talk about custom fields in the future videos. So let's create a template. It will create a template in your Google Sheet account, and it will assign it to your directory directly. So let's click submit. And once we click submit, it will push the changes, push all your listings that exist here to your Google Sheet. You are able to do following. So once you create the sheet, you click push to Google Sheets. It will push all the listings that you have here into the Google Sheets, so you can keep them synced from there. Or if you added something new in Google Sheets, you can create pull from Google Sheets, and it will pull all the new listings from Google Sheets here. If you don't want to do it manually, it will do it once a day at midnight. It will pull the new changes from there. Here is one important thing about Google Sheets integration. When you connect your Google Sheet, the source of truth should be the Google Sheet. So this integration is for the cases where you want to manage all your listings from Google Sheets. For example, you can connect some automation which will populate your Google Sheets listings from Zapier, let's say, from some scrapper, and it will be synced automatically to your directory, so you don't have to do any manual work. But let's say you fill the information there and you want to appear it immediately, you click pull from Google Sheets and it will be updated. Another important thing is when you add listings from the dashboard, it will push the changes to the Google Sheet, but Google integration has some limits. So you need to make sure that you keep your Google Sheet up to date, because every day at midnight it will just like overwrite the data that you have out of date, let's say. So here, once you click push to Google Sheets, it will push all the existing listings from your directory to your Google Sheets. Let's check it here. And as you can see, we have all the listings here, like all 12,000, I think, listings. Everything is imported here, like SEO, description, etc. So we have our directory. Let's check it one more time. Let's check our directory here. And yeah, we have all these listings added. Next thing we will do is importing the categories. Let's import them here. Oops, not export, let's do import. Yep, and this is our categories, everything imported. That's it for this video. So in the next video, we'll talk about how to create tags, how to customize your listings, how to customize your design, etc. So stay tuned and have a nice day. Cheers.